This is 1942 Packard Clipper 180, styled by Darrin. Darrin did 15 examples of his interpretation of this car this year. This is one of them, and it's beautiful. And you can see the Darrin dip there in the door. That was his signature. That is what he did. And he did that with other cars too, like the Kaiser, but this is an earlier version here on the Packard. Beautiful red leather upholstery. And notice the use of some plastic here in the knobs, and the turn signal here appears to be maybe original. Probably one of the first turn signals for Packard. Beautiful car. And of course Darrin liked to put his name on his creations. This car has won awards. It's at Amelia Island back in 2018. I hadn't put it up until this time, but it is truly amazing. Notice the backup lamps there, and so again, another early use of those. And you know, in 1942 the production for cars was very limited because of the war. And notice that there was no running board obvious on the outside, so they were gradually leaving the scene. And here are some of the awards, and they're listed on the windshield. It's a beautiful car. A beautiful Packard grille.